Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix uh, your Lenovo Thinkpad laptop X1 Carbon or any kind of Lenovo Thinkpad laptop with blue screen issue that always popping up in a random situation when you're using it. So I have here my old Lenovo Thinkpad laptop X1 Carbon. So this laptop is I only bought it a long time ago, and as you can see, the button in right here is already gone or not anymore in the end, but it's still working in this kind of condition. Okay, by the way, so if you have encountered any kind of blue screen error, especially when you're using this kind of laptop, especially the Lenovo Thinkpad models. So I have an old X1 Carbon here, but based on my research, this kind of method also works with the other kind of model of Lenovo Thinkpad, especially the newer carbon model ones. So I think this will help you and fix your problem with some blue screen always popping up, even if you install even if you reinstall Windows OS, especially yeah, I already did that. I already install some new operating system, new Windows 10, or I even install Windows 7 and 8, but nothing happens. It still appears, and the blue screen still appears and always appears even if I downgrade my OS to Windows 7. So that's why let's power up by using the power button, and let's adjust a bit and then power it on. So after you power on, you just need to go to BIOS. So if you need to go to BIOS, oops, I'm too late, so sorry guys. The Windows already coming up. Okay, sorry, I have mistaken, and I think the enter key is the simple way to get into BIOS. So there you go, and okay, we get into the startup interrupt menu. Okay, let's press right key to normal stuff. Okay, F1. Let's press F1 key, and there you go. We are now in the BIOS settings. So if you are in the BIOS, all you have to do is go to the system settings. Sorry, I have forgot a bit, but let me okay, you have to go to the security section, and then in the security section you have to go to fingerprint. So press enter in the fingerprint, and there you go. As you can see, it's disabled. So that's the only thing I did to fix my blue screen error on my Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Carbon, or I hope this will help you on your other Lenovo. So I ran into many kind of troubles, try everything, but this is the only method that works for me. You must make sure that this option, pre-desktop authentication, is disabled, and after that you just need to press the escape button and then go to restart, and make sure to click the exit saving changes. That's that's the simple way, guys, to solve the blue screen error if you have this kind of blue screen error in Lenovo Thinkpad laptop. So I hope I can help you, and this kind of method also work for you, because I just found this kind of method when I'm deep researching in Google. Especially, I think I went into Reddit, and some says in the comment section that if you remove if you disable the fingerprint sensor. So before I forgot, if you have this kind of fingerprint sensor, especially in Lenovo Thinkpad laptops, I think this kind of method will work for you guys. So the blue screen never appears even I'm doing any kind of task. So that's it, guys. And then another thing, guys, the reason why I'm speaking in English in my blog, in this kind of blog, because I just noticed there's some foreign people that also have this kind of issue. When I read the comment section in YouTube, that they have this kind of issue, that blue screen appearing in their Lenovo laptop. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching.